Hey everyone, my name is Dennis and I am a technical marketing manager here at StorMagic. Today I'm going to walk you through deploying VSAs onto a host and creating a shared data store. On my host I have a single management port and two SvSAN connections set up as standard switches. To start, we will go to our data center, and in the Configure tab we have our StorMagic plugin. If we click on Deploy a VSA onto a host, it will start the deployment wizard. We'll start by choosing our host and providing the login password and then accepting the license agreement. Next, I will name our VSA and provide the domain name and which data store I want to use for the VSA. Next, we'll assign the storage. Here I have a 200 gig drive. These can be SSD drives or spinning disks. If you have spinning disks, you have the option here to enable caching for faster performance. This can be done either by assigning a SSD drive, enabling memory caching, or both. If you choose both, you will get predictive caching, which will preload your hottest running applications into memory, and as they cool down, it will move to SSD, then out to the lowest end storage. For the networking, we will go in and edit our connections to make sure that our management network is just used for management and our SvSAN networks are used for SvSAN traffic. On the next screen, we can provide our NTP server information. Next, we will provide our SvSAN license information and set the password for our VSA. The last screen will provide us a summary of everything we have done and give us the option to keep the VSA on deployment failure. If a deployment fails with the Keep VSA option enabled, you can typically attempt to retry the deployment without needing to redeploy the VSA from the beginning. Once this process is complete, we can repeat for host number 2. Once we have our two VSAs installed, we can create a shared data store from the StorMagic plugin. We'll walk through another wizard where we will provide the data store name and size. Since this will be mirrored between our two hosts, we need to specify a witness. For this environment, our witness is installed on our StorMagic plugin virtual machine. Next, we have another option here to enable caching if we need a little more performance. Then we will choose our host that this shared storage will be presented to. Then it will check to make sure the correct login credentials have been provided. Our last screen here provides a summary of our configuration. Once we click Finish, our shared storage will be created. Once created, we can go to our host and see that shared storage is now available under our Data Stores tab. I hope you enjoyed this video covering our VSA install. Like and subscribe for more videos on StorMagic products and features.